Hello and good morning all of you, grade 2. This is your lecture 4 of chapter number 11, plants around us. In this chapter we already discussed what about plants, why plants are very needed to in our life, and what kind of food material we get from plants. We can eat each and every part of a plant, like we can eat root, we can eat leaves, we can eat stems, we can eat seeds, etc. We can eat every part of a plant. Now we can learn about vegetables, we learn about fruits, we can learn about you can say nuts, so many different kind of things we already know and learn. Now today we are going to talk about again the same topic, plants gives us. What plants gives us? In this today's topic, plant gives us food grains as well. What are the food grains? Food grains is also a type of seed of a plant which we are taken as edible things. We make chapatis with food grains, we eat rice, we eat pulses and the different kind of things. These all things are also a example of food material which we get from plants. So, plants gives us food grains. What is food grains? We are able to eat wheat, you can say gehu. We are eating rice, means chawal. They both are the cereals. They both are the cereals. इन्हें क्या बोला जाता है? Cereals. Like for example, maize as well, bajra you can say. They both are also an example of cereals. Few things we are eating as our cereals. We make them powdered form, we convert it into powdered form, or we eat rice as well. Some places in South India, people make atta of rice as well, and they make dosa, idli and the different kind of you can say dishes with rice as well. But in the North India, most of the people are going to eat wheat. They make it in powdered form, they convert wheat into a powdered form, and they make chapati, fulka, roti you can say, and they eat them with the different type of vegetables. Vegetables as well coming from the plant, and the cereals as well coming from the plants. Now, secondly, we talk about pulses. What we talk about? Pulses. What are pulses? Mysore dal, or you can say moong dal, or you can say हम उड़द की दाल खाते हैं. Different kind of pulses are coming from plants as well. These are the examples of seeds. These are the example of seeds. So we eat all type of vegetables, and you can say cereals, and you can say food grains. We get all these things from the plants. Now have a look some more things what we get from the plants. Now you can see plants gives us beverages. What are the beverages? See, our parents get up in the morning and they need some energy, or you can say when our papas or mamas going to the office, they feel so tired and they need some energy. For that they are drink beverages. In that beverages, mostly two things are coming that we get from the plants. First of all, we get tea. Yes, as you can see, your parents get up in the morning, and they first of all do a single one thing, that is they all drink tea. वो सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? उठते चाय पीते हैं. They get tea, or some of them are having coffee. So these two are the beverages. These two are the beverages. ये दोनों क्या होते हैं? Beverages होते हैं. So we get these beverages from plants. We get these two beverages from the plants. We make cold coffees, we make iced tea, or you can say we get black tea or black coffee, or simple milk wala tea, and hot coffee. All these type of beverages made from coffee and tea, they both are coming from the plants as well. ये plant से ही मिलता है. I'll show you the video in our online session how we get tea from from fields, and how we get coffee beans from the fields. I'll show you that video and separately in our online session. Now we also get sugar. See, we can't drink those beverages plain. We can't take them because they are so bitter in taste, as well as coffee. I can't say tea, but yes, coffee, it is taste very bitter. So make it very soothing in taste. We use sugar. Yes, that sugar is also come from the plant. Yes, we know about sugar cane. गन्ना हम सब जानते हैं. We make sugar from this sugar cane, and the sugar cane is as well as the plant. Sugar cane भी क्या है? Type of a plant. So we get so many different type of beverages and the things from the plants. Now you can understand the importance of plants in our life. Plants are very useful and important in our life. We get so many different kind of things from plants. Now, to make our food so yummy and tasty, we are using some more different kind of things. Let's have a look. Our mom makes so much delicious food in our daily day life, day-to-day life. What type of food we get? We get vegetables, we get cereals. But if I'm just making vegetable boiled, is it tasty? It feels taste because our tongue needs taste. So if I'm mama make food tasteless, or you can say just boil all the vegetables and give it to us, so is it tasty to eat? No, it is not tasty. So to make our food tasty, to make it so delicious, we need to add some spices into it. What are these spices? Spices means masale, which our mama daily day life use in our food, in our vegetables, to make it so much delicious, to make it so yummy. So some kind of spices we are talking about. We get every type of spices from the plants. India is the country which is having so many different type of spices. We are the hub in spices. In our India, we have lot of different type of spices in our you can say in our agriculture. We grow so many type of spices. So first of all, we talk about coriander. Mama used dhania seeds, or you can say dhania powder in our vegetables. So that is called coriander. Next, cloves. Cloves means long. Sometimes in beverages like tea, people use long clove to make it so much tasty, or to make our vegetables make tastier. We use cloves. हम लौंग का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Third, we talk about pepper. Pepper are different type of kind. You can say a white pepper and a black pepper. Two type of peppers we get in the market. They make our food so much spicy and delicious. Turmeric. Turmeric is a very good thing to use. As you know, COVID-19 is going on. In this type of pandemic, we have to, drink hot water with turmeric. It is very good for us, because turmeric is the type of a spice which gives us immunity booster. So turmeric is very important part in our daily routine food life, to make it colorful. See, if I just boil the vegetable, it colors is so much dull. To make it color so nice, to give it a nice color, we use turmeric in our food to give it a yellowish color. Or we are using red chili powder. Chili, we know that green chili, when it turns into red, we make it a powdered form, and we use red chili powder in our food. So turmeric and red chili powder give so much color and flavor to our food. Now bay leaf, yes, it is also a very good, you can say, spice. These are like a leaves, big size of leaves. We just add, we just make it thoda sa isko tod ke, and then we add it into our food, and it is so much delicious when we are using bay leaf. मेरा तो पढ़ते पढ़ते मुंह में पानी आने लग गया. It's so delicious. Now we talk about cardamom. Cardamom we also use in our beverages like tea, or we can take it into our milk as well. So cardamom is also used in our spices. Cardamom gives so much, you can say, fragrance to our food. It is having high sense of fragrance. इसका बहुत अच्छा एक fragrance होता है. It make our food so, you can say, delicious कि उसकी खुशबू से मुंह में पानी आने लग जाता है. It is very important to our food. So these are not only the simple you can say spices. We have lot many different kind of spices which is produced in India and we export it in outside as well. हम ये सब इंडिया में उगाते हैं और बाहर भी एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं अदर कंट्रीज. So India is a very big hub of spices. We have so many different kind of spices in India. So now you can understand what kind of things we get from plants. We can't end it here. We have lot many different kind of things. So in the last topic we are talking one more thing which we get in a eatable part in our food. Now last we talk about plants gives us oil. Yes, we get oil from plants. We can take oil from seeds. We can take oil from nuts. We can take oil from fruits as well. And all the type of things are the part of a plant. Seeds are the part of a plant. Nuts coming from the plant. Fruits is the part of a plant. So we get oil as well. हम oil भी कहाँ से हमें मिलता है? We get oil from the plants. We get oil from the plants. You can say olive oil. You are using mustard oil. You are using groundnut oil, or you can say almond oils. We are using all these kind of oils in our food to make it so yummy, so tasty. So we add different type of oils in our food. So we can, you can say, give lot of taste to our food. Now, not only in our foods but in our soaps and shampoos as well, we are using oils. Almond oil is also used for our hairs to make our hair so healthy and you can say so much getting them power, or you can say बहुत मजबूत अपने बालों को बनाने के लिए we are using almond oil to apply on our hairs as well. So oils is also a very important part in our life, and we get oil also from the plants. By this I end up today's session here only. Thank you so much. I hope you all understand and enjoy. In our online session we are going to talk about more on this, and I'm going to show you so many different kind of videos as well. Thank you so much.